Welcome to this in-depth guide to using your BITS credit card. To get started, you will need to activate your card by calling the phone number provided with your card or by visiting the website listed on the back of your card. Once your card is activated, you can begin using it to make purchases online or in store. To make a purchase, simply swipe or insert your card into the payment terminal and follow the prompts to enter your PIN or sign your name. You can also use your card to make online purchases by entering your card number, expiration date, and security code. It is essential to keep track of your spending and make payments on time to avoid interest charges and late fees. You can view your account activity and make payments online or by phone. It is also a good idea to set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. In addition to making purchases, you can also use your BITS credit card to withdraw cash from an ATM or to pay bills. However, be aware that these types of transactions may incur additional fees. To get the most out of your BITS credit card, be sure to take advantage of any rewards or benefits that come with your card, such as cash back or travel points. You can also use your card to build credit by making on-time payments and keeping your credit utilization ratio low. By following these steps and using your BITS credit card responsibly, you can enjoy the convenience and benefits of credit while also maintaining a healthy financial situation. Remember to always review your account terms and conditions and to contact customer service if you have any questions or concerns.